Good morning, everybody. How are you now? Are you happy? I hope so. My name is Luan. Today, I will continue share you the first paragraph against colors by the new car. It's a very expensive. It's a huge, blue, and fast car. While driving down the street, color scissor girl on the bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yells to her, "What's up? What's up?" She ignores him. He yells, "How's this going? How's this going?" She keeps going and ignores him. He yells, "Hey, why don't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant." Thank you for listening. See you again the next video. Bye bye.